Hello everyone, welcome to Access for Free. In today's video, we're going to add a new field to our existing form. So far, our form only displays the fields that were originally inside the contacts table. If we add a new field to the table, it will not automatically appear on the form. We need to add it manually. First, open the contacts table. Switch to Design View. In the next empty row under Field Name, type Contact Type. In the Data Type column, select Short Text. You can also adjust field properties below if needed, such as field size or required, but we'll keep the default settings for now. Save the table. Now the new field has been created in the table structure. Close the table and open your contact form. Switch the form to Design View. Under the Form Design tab, click Add Existing Fields. On the right-hand side, the Field List pane will appear. This shows all available fields from the Contacts table, including the new Contact Type field we just created. Click on Contact Type and drag it onto the form layout. Place it where you want it to appear. You can resize it, rearrange it, or adjust alignment to keep the form structured and clean. If needed, open the Property sheet to adjust formatting or other settings. Once you're satisfied with the layout, save the form. Now switch to Form View. You'll see the new Contact Type field added to the form, and you can start entering data into it. That's how you add a new field to an existing form using Design View. In the next video, we'll convert this field into a drop-down list to make data entry more controlled and consistent. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.